Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi semuanya. Kami dari kelompok 4. Di sini kami akan membahas mengenai teknik pengendalian hama atau pest control teknik dengan anggota kami yaitu saya Ingervo Kurniawati, lalu ada rekan saya Salma Putra Aji dan Maura Rizky Auliana dan Sahla Rahmanesti Hanan dengan NIM yang tertera. The first of our presentation, we will study about pest control technique. Pest control is a technique for the control of organisms called pests that damage plants or destroy them. Since this can damage or die and can also depreciate the plants of their product. Culture technology. Technique culture control is a technique for controlling plant organisms by using system or methods for growing crop. An example of a plant that can use a technical culinary technique, one that develops beer sulfite vegetables, some action in crops that can reduce or suppress population and plague pests are among the following. A. Reducing pest ecosystem harmony by performing sanitation, host modification, water management, and land treatment. B. Interferes with the continuity of the supply of pests, which is done by the way of plants and ingestion and ceremonial cultivation of a large area. If the pest population differed from the crops, say by planting traps, the reduction in the effect of damage by pests by changing host tolerance. Varieties of resistance that is reduced to suppress pest population, attacks, and damage rates by growing pest or disease-resistant varieties. This technique has long been applied from farmers. The engineering advance is that it costs nothing costly, effectively, and safe for the environment. However, controlling with resistant varieties also has weakness and deficiencies, expensive seeds. If played over a long period of time, his durability is broken. For example, the use of a variety of rice-resistant varieties of rice control milkborne leafy pests.
The next is physical control. Physical pest control is an effort in exploiting or altering the physical environment and thus reducing the population of pests and disease. The physical action of pest control can be taken in several ways: heating, burning, cooling, washing, drying, lights, infrared radiation, sound waves, and barrier. Mechanical control. Pest and disease control is strictly human manually. Mechanical control can be done in a simple way, requiring a lot of labor and a long time. Its effectiveness and efficiency are low, but have no negative effect on the environment. Some examples of the mechanical action of pest control include the following: A. Collecting the pests and the eggs using their hands. B. Locations, which was the cutting of 10 buds that develop the 10 knobs. C. Cut branches, which are any other plant parts that come down with vermin or disease. Biological control. Biological control is pest or disease control by taking advantage of the natural agents of predators, parasitoids, and pests. An example is this: A. A predator, a large animal that feeds on smaller animals as prey. Take, for example, snakes as a predator of mouse pests or of coccinelle beetles as preying on aphids. B. Parasitoid, an animal that lives on or inside the body of a large animal that is its host. The sp. Trichoderma, for example, as a parasite that produces a cormorant stem. C. Pest pathogens, microorganisms that cause disease of pest organisms. These include nematodes, protozoa, rickettsia, bacteria, or virus. Sample Phyllomyces sp. Pathogenic fungi nematode pururut.
Next is chemical control. Pest control and plant disease chemically use synthetic pesticide is a last alternative when other ways of control are unable to cope with the increase in pest populations that have gone beyond the threshold of control. The purpose of the use of pesticide is a correction to bring down pest or disease population to a balance. Use of pesticides should also be on target, on dosage, and on time. Next is control by rules. Control by the rules of law, the prevention of spreading or transfer and transmission of plant, disturbing organism through government policy legislation. The basis of preventive law with regulation is as follows. Number 1 is UU number 16, 1992, Quarantine of Animal, Fish, and Plant. Second, Peraturan Pemerintah Year 6, 1995, Crop Protection. Third is Peraturan Pemerintah 14, 2000, Plant Quarantine. An example of pest control with rules was the ban of the delivery of stone seed potatoes. Unfortunate to the other area that had not been affected by the nematode cysta. Next is Unified Pest Control or PHT. Is a conception or a way of thinking about controlling plant-resistant organism or OPT. With a multicultural approach to managing pest and disease population by employing a variety of compatibility control tactics and a unified coordination of management. Since PHT is a control system that approach ecology, understanding of the biology and ecology of pests and disease is vital.
There are four basic principles that encourage PhD application. Number 1, helpful plant cultivation. A healthy plant will be able to withstand pests and disease and will cope more quickly with the ravage of pests and disease. Number 2, enemy use natural biological control by leveraging potential natural enemies is PHT backbone, with natural enemies capable of suppressing pets population. It is expected that in agroecosystem, a balance of population between pets and their natural enemies should be maintained, so that the pest population does not go beyond their sort of pest tolerance. Number 3, regular observation or monitoring to keep up with the developing population of pets and their natural enemies and to know the condition of plants. Regular observation is required. Information obtained is used as a basis for action. Number 4, farmers as PhD experts, PhD application must be tailored to local ecosystem circumstance. PhD recommendation should be developed by farmers themselves to enable farmers to implement PhD. PhD correctional service are required through both formal and informal training. Characteristic of the Unified Pest Control System, PHT. The concept of pest control is a PHT system, so to speak, when it reflects environmentally friendly concept of pest control and disease threats like this. Number one, the application of a unified pest control system (PHT) is systematic, integrate, and will coordinate. Number two, the goal is that production and economies are achieved without damaging the environment and safe for human health. Number three, maintaining production and displaying the quality of agricultural products. Number four, keeping pest population or pest attack rates below the economic threshold. Number five, records and limits the use of chemical pesticides. Number six, the use of chemical pesticides is a less alternative when environmentally friendly control techniques are in the queue.
Thank you guys for your attention and see you. Bye-bye.